क्योंकि यह न सिर्फ हमारी मेहनत और प्रतिभा को दिखाने का मौका है, बल्कि यह उन पलों का सजाने का दिन है जिन पर हमें गर्व है। पर जो पधार रहे हैं उनके चारों तरफ गुणगान है, तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें उनका, क्योंकि है हमारे महफिल की शान है। तो प्लीज वेलकम टू डीजी पाटिल सर।
धरती कहती अंबर कहता बस सही तराना है, धरती कहती अंबर कहता बस यही तराना है, गुरु आपके होने से ही रोशन हुआ जमाना है। सो प्लीज वेलकम दिनेश सर।
पधार रहे हैं उनके चारों तरफ गुणगान है, मंच पर जो पधार रहे हैं उनके चारों तरफ गुणगान है, तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें उनका, क्योंकि है महफिल की जान है। सो प्लीज वेलकम टू ओम सर। जिंदगी में कहीं न कहीं कहानी रहेगी, हम यूं कार्यक्रम में चार चांद लगाते रहेंगे अगर आपकी तालियों की मेहरबानी रहेगी।
Competition is change our whole life. How you search competition? So that poster presentation competition. Are you ready for competition?
Yes.
Are you ready for competition?
Yes.
Are you ready for competition?
हिम्मत तो कर, मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया, हिम्मत तो कर, जिंदगी बदल देंगे हकीकत में, जरा कोशिश तो कर। So hi friends, this is Hemant. Today here are poster presentation competition and today's my new topic is that Shital Academy. So friends, my first point is that 100% guarantee to English speaking. Do you know friends, Shital Academy so many types of things are, so many types of knowledge also provide for children also. My next point is Shital Academy, which types of facilities are given to students. So friends, Shital Academy is so many types of facilities are given to students, but which types of facilities are given to students means so many students who are provide me books also. Join Shital Academy. We join Shital Academy, but why? We that first should join Shital Academy because of the we will join Shital Academy. Then because of the we will join Shital Academy self of future, because of the in the future English language is most important. We are मराठी
जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अनूप पवार।
Areas that robots are used. First, industrial robots, security, government and space robots. Third, the service robots for home, healthcare. Next topic is festival. There are many festivals in India. For example, Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Teachers' Day, Vata Purnima, Independence Day, Indian festivals. So there are many festivals in India. National festivals, Republic Day, Independence Day, or national festivals is an occupation to refine to India to mark the victory of a light and over a darkness, God over bad, God over evil, knowledge over days of a celebrates. Mother's Day. Mother's Day is the 11th May. Father's Day is a 15th June. Sister Day is the 3rd August. And Brother's Day is the 24th May. Women's Day is the 8th March. And it's the Hindu festival celebrating bond between the brothers and sisters. Navratri festival. Many worship night after of make Durga.
क्या शब्द चुन तुम्हारी आन बान शान में, ये कहना काफी नहीं कि तुम सबसे कमाल हो, ये कहना काफी नहीं कि तुम सबसे कहान हो जहान हो। So I would like to call my
presentation. I am a student of TG Patil sir. My name is Mayank Shirsat from top few tells about government job versus private jobs. First, government job. What is a government job? Government job is a very good because they times are people's means they people are do government jobs. They people are age and they are retired. They times also they give pensions and they are very good government jobs and private job. And private job in a very small salaries and not very value to private jobs because in a government jobs are help to society people and very good to government
मुश्किल को आसान बना दोगे, फिर कोशिश करो। I would like to call Gargi Mahajan.
Hey guys, welcome to all, both near and far. So today this is a Gargi Mahajan do poster presentation on Indian culture. So Indian culture. What is a culture? There are many types of culture, such as the religion culture, custom culture, festival culture, language culture, etc. etc. So firstly, I tell one story. There are two girls is present in one classroom. First is a Tina and second is a Meena. Tina is a very traditional, modern, and she's don't wear the. Meena is a traditional, and her life is a traditional life. She wear the kurtis and pants, and it is also wear the bangles and panjan. So one time teacher said to students, did you like to our Indian country? So both students are saying, I love my Indian country. But then teacher said to Tina, you like our Indian country? So that time Tina said, I love my Indian country. Then man said to Tina, why you like to our country? So why you follow our other country? So that time Tina said that ma'am, you open my eyes. Then in this map you say that 28 states and 8 union territories is present. 28 states and 8 union territories. Then the union terrorism and our Indian culture is very best, and our Indian culture is very happily, and other culture and our Indian culture, other culture is some, but our Indian culture is very best. So lastly I conclude that our Indian culture is very best.
ऊंचे आसमान के पंछी भर लेते हैं उड़ान, वे वैसे ही है अपनी मेहनत से जिन्होंने छुआ है आसमान।
Hello friends, good morning. This is Priyanka Gaikwad. Today I am gathered here poster presentation, and my today's interesting topic name is pollution. So friend, what is pollution? Pollution is the day-to-day increasing in our environment, because humans are also increasing pollution. Humans also cut forests, trees, and pollution is also day-to-day increasing. Pollution so many types. For example, air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. First, I talk about air pollution. Air pollution is increasing day to day because people are also cut forests and trees. So, and industries, factories, pollution are also increasing. And next is my point, water pollution. Clean water are also wastewater. And my next topic is soil pollution. Soil pollution are also create humans, because people are also etc. for chemical fertilizers. So soil are also disturbed, and then so in the soil crops are not grow because in the soil. So in our environment, pollution are day to day increasing. My opinion, please not use in plastic, because plastic also used in humans and they throw in the river. So water are also wastewater, and people also use in this wastewater, and people's health also disturbed, and our living organisms health also disturbed, and our environment living organisms are day to day death, because day to day increasing pollution. In our day to day increasing pollution.
एक प्रश्न बताना चाहता हूँ। एक बार बिस्लेरी को बिस्लेरी क्यों कहते? बीस लेरी लिखाई।
कोशिश तो कर, मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया में, तो जरा कोशिश तो कर। ख्वाब बदलेंगे हकीकत में, तो जरा हिम्मत तो कर। I would like to call Arshal Hair.
So time is not money. Sorry. Time is money, but money is not time. All right? Time is money, but money is not time. So do you have to waste your money? The 1 second also like your 1 rupees.
So what you are just doing? You are wasting your time. So today, this and thought about the topic is that about the time management. So as you all know guys, what is the time? The time is very, very important in our life. What we are just doing? We are just wasting our time. But if we consider what actually the time, how can we just manage our time? I just would like to tell you guys, focus on our just one of the just one work. There will be just many more works. Just we must focus on our just where actually the work is going on. Where actually we must focus on our just one work. If we are focusing on the yes, there are many more works. If we focus on that kind of the work, so I think can't just do that kind of the work. So my next point is that what actually how can we do you know guys we are directly sleeping. But I would like to suggest you guys what should we just do for the it means time of the sleeping. What should we do? For the just when we are just going for sleeping and when we are just sleeping, so that time we must think that for tomorrow what should I just plan? What will I have to do for tomorrow? If we are thinking that at the night, so obviously we will do tomorrow. It is just good for our future. And I always like to say guys, the bad habits always never takes time, but the good habits always. What kind of the habits you must apply to your body? So my next point is that when you are active in most time, when your mood is going to be just do the work, at that time you must do the which is your just which is your more just it means which is your most important and which is the more powerful just work. You should do that when you are active. So that. But I just want to say that guys, the time. If we are thinking that Elon Musk kind of the people, they have achieved history in their life. They are also time like us and we are also time like us. Why they have just become it means different than the people. Why we can't become like them? Because they have followed. So ever fail, try and fail again. The world is your take kindly everyone. Thank you.
जुनून चाहिए लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए, वरना सपने तो सब देते हैं दूसरों को बताने के लिए. So I would like to call Mrunal Sonoy to present your poster presentation.
As we will choose one of the first topic is that books. So we know that book. From our childhood we always read books. Because it gives to us much of the knowledge. No one like loyal friend. There is no loyal friend as like books. There are many types of books are present, like an historical books or historical books about an acting, sports and stories. There are many of the books are present. What books and today's generation? So today's generation totally forgot books because of AI, laptop, computer and cell phones. They can forget what is a book. They will be just see mobiles and laptop. Don't read books. So I would like to give message to read books. Next I will be talk about when we are hungry we will eat much of the foods, much of the spicy food. But when our mind is hungry, they will order to us. They will recognize to us to read books. Because hungerness of mind end with books reading. I think that, and books gives to us much of the knowledge. When we will read history books, we will recognize what is our history, and what's happened in our past. So I will try to give message. Read books. It gives to us much of the knowledge. The book is that lamp that illuminate our lives.
बहुत ही परेशान लग रहे हो, मतलब तुम बोरिंग हो रहे हो, तो एक प्रश्न और
इस तरह से वो मुस्कुराते हैं कि परेशान लोग उन्हें देखकर खुश हो जाते हैं. कुछ इस तरह से वो मुस्कुराते हैं कि परेशान लोग उन्हें देखकर खुश हो जाते हैं. उनकी बातों का आज ही क्या कहना, अल्फाज तारीफ बनकर होठों से निकल आते हैं. I would like to call Siddesh Pagar.
I am Siddesh Pagar to the final round of poster presentation, and my topic is electric vehicles versus petrol fuel. And you know that petrol fuels are giving many advantages, such as means high compensation, and it is easily transportable, and it is having disadvantage also, means it is spreading pollution and many more. So friends, I would say, and the petrol fuels are spreading the pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, and it is causing the human cancer also. So friends, electric vehicles are easily charged, and it doesn't need petrol. So they are eco-friendly. They cannot harm the human body. So friends, I would say that if you want to take any car, so you should firstly decide that electric vehicle is the safe or petrol vehicle is safe. So afterwards that you can decide that which car is best. So I would say that thank you, and please before taking the cars check its safety measures.
में हम सबकी जान, पर्यावरण में हम सबकी जान, इसलिए रखो इसका ध्यान. So hello everyone, good morning to all. Today this is Sonali Dheeraj in front of you, standing here and representing my poster presentation. So it's the depend on our surrounding area. It's what is going on in our surrounding area, and why we are the saving environment. So it's the good for us. So my first point is that the don't cut trees, means that as all about the in our surrounding area what will happen, there is the most of all the in the past time there is the most of all the forests are there, but in the today's time what will happen, there is only and only cutting, means deforestation are increasing. It's also the problem of our whole world. So that's why our means we want to save our environment, so we want to also save forest also. So next point is that the go green, means that we are the applying trees anywhere. So I give one best example of the go green, means that we are going anywhere for the wandering, for our fresh our mood. So we want to collect seeds any of the trees, so that seeds we are applying anywhere, but we have no time. Many people have said that we have no time for the applying the seeds and etc. things. So we select these seeds. We are going anywhere, so we throw that in the forest. So there, by our seeds, there is the one type of the trees are growth of trees. So it's also the good. Then my next point is that the save water. So as well about the water. Many people are the wastage of the water. So it is not good, because we are going in the out of our state, out of the nation. So there is the lack of the water. So we want to save this water. Next is that the save animals. Animals is also the as well know, means we are also the eating these animals. So is it not good, because of the in the nature there is the lack of the animals. So we want to save these animals, so they have also the life. They are survive in our world, environment. Next is that the stop pollution. Pollution is also the many types of pollution are happening in our India. Not only the India, in our world, it's also the problem of our world. So we can stop pollution. We cannot stop pollution, but we can decrease the pollution. So it's also the good for our environment. We want to save our life. We want to save our environment. So we want to stop the pollution. Next is that the reuse plastic. All people are the using the plastic bags. All people are the using the plastic. All things, means that plastic bags and many types of the plastic things. So we want to use. So another substance, means that we can't want these plastic things. Next is that lastly I want to say that we want to save environment. So means we have our life, so we want to live in our life, means in our life friendly. So we want to save environment. पर्यावरण को मत करो नष्ट, क्योंकि सांस लेने में होगा कष्ट. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, गिविंग मी गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी.
In front of you, and today I am taking you for poster presentation competition, and my today's topic is social media. We all know about social media: Google, Snapchat. I tell about YouTube. YouTube is very important in our life, because if you have any question, then you ask to YouTube, and he images, documents, and charts, then voice call, videos call, then Google is very important in our life, because Google's if you ask question to Google, then Google have answered.
से भाग जाना आसान होता है, मुश्किल से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है। डरने वालों को नहीं मिलती जिंदगी में, डरने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कंधों में जहान होता है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू
ये दुनिया में तू जरा कोशिश तो कर, ख्वाब बढ़ते की हकीकत में तू जरा हिम्मत तो कर। Today as I began, it's a pleasure to introduce me. I am Om Bhaskar from this is academical one. Today I am here because I participate in poster presentation competition and now I am selected final round of debate poster presentation competition. I am very excited to share my thoughts on the topic of the real hero of our India. It means the freedom fighter. The freedom fighters sacrificed their everything for the freedom for the independence. Now India is independent. Now India is a growth. Why? Because the freedom fighter. And then if we talk about the now we are getting education. Now we are getting the freedom. Why? Because of freedom fighter. It's the power of the freedom fighter. And then if we talk about the everyone Indian women are taking a job. Everyone women are taking education. Why? Because the freedom fighter Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was opened the first school in the Pune, and now Indian women are staying in the phase of 9 months. The power of the freedom fighter is the power of the Indian women. And then if we talk about in the Pune, in the Maharashtra, in the Gujarat, and so many freedom fighters. But then you think about the Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and the many freedom fighters available in the India. The power of the India, the power of the freedom fighter. And then if we talk about the in the India, they sacrifice their everything, sacrifice for the freedom for your independence. The power of the for the freedom. This is the real power of for the freedom, and this is the real hero power for the independence. This is the real hero for India. But then we think about the woman empowerment. After the 1947, in the India is imposed the woman empowerment. So then give a respect, take a respect for the woman. This is the power of the freedom fighter. And then you will think about the queen of the Jhansi, Miss Lakshmi Bai. The queen of the Jhansi is a teach to everyone, never give up. Because the woman is a strong, woman is a brave, the power of the Indian woman. And then if you talk about in the India, in America, as the Sunita Williams stay in the space of 9 months, the real power of the Indian freedom fighter, the real power of the Indian woman. And then if you talk about before the 1947, in the India, it imposed the British rule. Freedom fighter fight against the British rule. Freedom fighter fight for the rights. Freedom fighter fight for the freedom. And now India is independent. Now India is a growth. Why? Because of freedom fighters. It's the power of the freedom fighter. And then we will think about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharaja Pratap, and the Prithviraj Chauhan. It's the real freedom fighter for the India. Because it's only one state, it's a Jhansi. In the Jhansi, it's not imposed the British rule. Why? Because in the Jhansi, the queen of the Jhansi, it is the Lakshmi Bai, the power of the freedom fighter. And lastly, I want to give a message for everyone. Never give up always, because our freedom fighter is to teach to everyone. Never give up, because life is you and my life, my rules.
देता है, पलों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देता है, अरे नीचे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है। So I would like to call Dhanasri Bairam to present your poster presentation.
सो नहीं सकते ताकि हम चैन से सो सके, वो सो नहीं सकते ताकि हम चैन से सो सके। हंसते हुए मौत को गले लगा लेते हैं, हंसते हुए मौत को गले लगा लेते हैं। ये जो फौजी है भारत माँ के लाल, ये जो फौजी है भारत माँ के लाल, इसलिए महबूब है हमारे हाल, इसलिए महबूब है हमारे हाल। Hi, hello, my brother and sister. This is Dhanasri Bairam front of you. I'm proud of you say that I participate in the poster presentation, and my topic is that
competition change who we are. And one such competition is that the public speaking competition. And our first public speaker. मन में हो सपने वो मत छोड़ना, कदम कदम पर मिलेंगे मुश्किलें आपको, बस सितारा चुनने के लिए जमीन मत छोड़ना. I would like to call Arshal Iyer.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Okay. So if you lose your money, you lose nothing. What guys? If you lose your money, you lose nothing. If you lose your health, you lose something. If you lose your health, you lose something. But if you lose your character, you lose everything. So today, this is I am in front of you for public speaking competition, and today the final round of public speaking competition, and I have participated in public speaking competition. So let's start, guys. So what is the globalization? The globalization, we had accepted the globalization in 1990. India had accepted globalization in 1990. It is very just big. It is very just best for our Indian people and also for us. How can we? Because of the we can import our goods and we can export our goods also. Why not, guys? It is the biggest progress part of our India, and which is the beneficial for the farmers. If I talk about the just India, it means from that time the just girls have just it means harassment kind of the things. How can, guys? If we consider that about the how can? Because the girls are directly dancing upon the head of the men. How can? Because they have all of the freedoms, guys. They have all of the freedoms. That's why. And if we consider about that time, it means they have freedom also. And now also they are just walking with just applying the shoulder with the men, which is good also. And also we can go in other countries for taking education. Also for also for our jobs. Why not, guys? If we consider the bad points of the globalization, do you know, guys, corona? Why the coronavirus had come in our India? Why? Because if we consider that point, so our just Indian people had gone in the China and they are come in our India. That's why. And if we consider the tax, it means our country just progressing day by day, according to the India. So that's why the America had applied the tax on our just India to just develop. It's also our country just developing, and that's why the India, it means America had applied tax on us. So from that time, it's not just our country is developing, not from so that they are earning money from the tax. So my next point is that, do you know, guys, by the globalization, the farmers get beneficial. All of the Indian people have also just get beneficial. It means they have all of the just it means all of the Indian people have get the benefits from the globalization, which is very good for us. And I think so in future, which is good also. It means bad also. Why? Because now recently what we have done, the Sindoor operation. Just recently we have done the Sindoor operation. Why the Sindoor operation we have done? Because of Pahalgam attack, which you know why. The terrorists have come in our just J&K, it's called as the Jammu and Kashmir, and the Pahalgam attack had happened in the Jammu and Kashmir. That's why. Why? Because it's only happened by the what? Globalization. They are coming in our India and they are just giving the betray to us. They are just doing that. They are just giving the betray to us. So that's why it's not good for our India. Some of the things, it means some of the things are good also and some of the things are bad also. Which is depend on us, guys. How can we just handle it? And I think so, globalization is developed part of for our India. So I think we must follow this, and in our future also, it will just follow. So thank you, guys. Thank you for giving the golden chance.
बन जाऊंगा, चलता रहूंगा, पथ पर चलने में माहिर बन जाऊंगा, या तो मंजिल मिल जाएगी या तो अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाऊंगा. So let's give big hand for Dhanasri Bairam.
चित्त विशदम गुण विशदम आओभिलाषा जाते सुख्य शास्त्र चित्त प्रसाद प्रथम यास्तम. Hi, hello, my brother and sister. This is Dhanasri Mohan Bairam in front of you, respected the Shital Academy head of PG Patil sir and my all friends. Today I am going to motivate and share my thoughts on even about the local trains. First of all, what is my local train? In the Mumbai, the people travel in the train. This is the known as the local train, and the local train is most important for the Mumbai's people because of in the Mumbai population is most of all, and in this population the people in the traveling this time the train is most important, and this time the train is most important, and this local train is the lifestyle of our Mumbai's people, and there are many advantages and also disadvantages of the Mumbai's train. Like that, the first advantage is that Mumbai's local train is that the cheapest cost. Yes, in this Mumbai people going for the job, but in this way the local train is most important for the going this companies and job. This time the local train is most important, but in this local train the cheapest cost is present. Therefore the people have the comfortable for समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुर्मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Before starting any work, any good work in your life, whom you worship? Only the God, only the Lord Ganpati Bappa. Why? Because this place is too much important in our life. We worship them. And so today in front of you, this is Kumava Tanishka going to talk about one and only topic which is really interesting for you all, and that is if I were the God. If I were the God, nobody just thought about this, but I thought about this. Why? Because I got subject today. So, if I were the God, what would be my first thing and what would be my last thing? So, just like that, if you are one person, but if you were the God, there was lots of things to do in your life. What are they? Let's see. So, of my topic, my first point is that if I were the God, how I would handle the world, universe and the earth. Yeah, because God don't have only their home, God don't have only their family. What God have? God have to handle everybody's family. Today in everybody's home, what we do? We wake up and we worship to God. Why? Because we want something from the God. God didn't listen only to their family. God listens to everybody. And I really believe from my die-hard feelings, I believe in God. Why? Because God is the only person who makes everything possible. Yeah, in the life, everyone, kids or the young people, everybody, I could understand. Why? Because everybody's problems are different. So on the problem, everybody's solution is also different. So I would understand everybody, and the next is I would explain to everybody that whatever you have, you should be satisfied in that. God is not visible to us. Why? We have only pictures of God or the idols of God. Today we worship them. Today we worship to a stone also in India. Why? Because we see God, we see one positivity in the God, so that I would explain to everybody that have satisfaction in your life. Don't think too much whatever you want in life. That's all about the God. And if I were the God, that time I would also do one thing is that I would make more earths in the universe. Why? Because I want to show everybody what is really visible in the life, what is really important in life. Not digital things are important. What is important in your life? To make yourself happy. You should not just run away to make your family happy, to make your mother, father, everybody happy. Yeah, you want to make them happy, but you want to make yourself also happy. So this is all I want to do if I were the God, and I hope you all understand my topic today. Thank you so much to listen me carefully, and thanks for being here. Thank you.
तकदीर बदलती रहती है, घमंड ना करना, जिंदगी में तकदीर बदलती रहती है, आईना वही रहता है, तस्वीर बदलती रहती है. So I would like to call Siddesh Bhagat.
In front of you all for public speaking, and my today's topic is time. What is time? Time is everything in the world. If without time we cannot do anything. In the world there all the people are having their own time, but some people cannot use their time and some can use their time. But in farming, time is important in studies and in many more. If without the time, the farmer cannot grow their crop. In the field, the farmer is trying to grow his field. But if the rain is not coming on the time, so what will happen? The full field will be waste. So time is very important. If the rain come on the time, and the field will be greenery, and the farmer will have its own whole crops will be his own, and he will get a huge profit. In the studies also it is like that only. If you are studying on the time and you are going to the papers such as UPSC, MPSC, etc. So you are not facing more difficulty. But if you are studying before one night, so you cannot understand
लेकिन
anything.
हिम्मत नहीं हारूंगा. सफर थोड़ा कठिन है लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं हारूंगा. इतना तो भरोसा है खुद पर, इस बार बाजी जरूर मैं मारूंगा. I would like to call.
Welcome to all, both near and far, to minds that like a shine, brilliant star. So today this is a Gargi Mahajan going to for public speaking competition, and this is the final round of public speaking in our day-to-day life. Because of the fact internet is not available, so that time we can't do the our works and do our jobs. That time internet is a very important and do the job. So internet is a very important in our day-to-day life. attend our lectures. So internet is a very important in our day-to-day life. So lastly, I conclude that
Alright? Alcohol may be man's worst enemy. The Bible says, love your enemy. So today, I am the front of you for debate competition, and today I have participated in the debate competition. Today is the final round of debate competition. So let's start, guys. Do you know about alcohol? Just alcohol should be illegal, but why, guys? Do you know, guys? By the alcohol we are just earning money. By the, do you know, if I talk about the in just 1920 to 1930, India had earned the money on the alcohol directly. They had applied the tax 22 and what 22% and per month directly by the alcohol. By the alcohol we can earn money also because it means it is a developed part of our country. If we consider about it's an illegal thing, so the people are spreading the garbage on the public places. It's not illegal thing, guys. And the just if I talk about the skydiving, it's not illegal thing, guys. The people are just doing the illegal thing. It means the why their government had the ban on the alcohol. So the big mafias, it means unnecessary just which is unnecessary.
and all debaters and all my dear friends. Today I am Munaz Varuna standing here for debate competitions, and I will be choose one of the best and brilliant topic is that should robots have rights? And I will be choose the negative side because it follow the orders of humans, not giving orders to humans and give them works. That's why I think that it's wrong, and it never will happen. Robots have any rights.
ऐसा की पहचान बन जाए, काम करो ऐसा की पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम की पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम चलो तो ऐसे की निशान बन जाए, हर कदम चलो तो ऐसे की निशान बन जाए, जिंदगी तो सब जीते हैं, जीनी है तो मिसाल बन जाए. So a warm welcome to you all. It's Ritesh Wadekar, the Sheetal Academy Kalwan branch. So today we are and it's Ritesh Wadekar to share and to just giving some thoughts on the nice and very interesting topic is that for just debate is that for just robots. So that's why the people didn't have giving some rights for robots. Why? Because of the robots have their own make for just rights. So why? Because of the robots is a one kind of thing. They just make the 15 people's their knowledge just increasing in robots life. But why the people just don't give the rights? Because of the robots have their own dreams. So that's why the people rights. So lastly I just said that please didn't just giving some rights for robots. You just giving some rights. They do their own life. So thank you friends.
मुश्किल है ये इस दुनिया में तो आप बदलेंगे यार. Today I am here because I participated in debate competition and now I am selected in final round of debate competition. I am very excited to share my thoughts on the topic of the should be drinking according to WHO and according to IHO. WHO is the World Health Organization and IHO is the Indian Health. So then if we talk about in India before the 18 years, young children are not drinking the alcohol in the India. But then if we talk about in the Jammu Kashmir, the Maharashtra, and under the 16 years, younger person are drinking the alcohol. Why? Because in the India, the drink and drive cases is a cancer. Are so many diseases in the India. And then if we talk about the drink and drive cases in the India, the drink and drive cases is the very increase. Why? Because so many young children are drinking the alcohol. Why? Because it is now used, the condition for now used. And then if we talk about the today's youth, in the today's youth are in need of the alcohol for your better journey, for your better career, for your better life, for your better journey. You only need the education. And then if you drinking alcohol, so your body, your mind, your lungs, your heart is the very spoiled. So that's why in your career journey, in your everyone, for your better career, for your better journey, for your better life, stop drinking and then you rectify your life, you revamp your life.
Just now the digital world is going on, everywhere the AI is just working. If we just give right to them, so obviously it will just good for us. Why not, guys? Because what will happen in future? It will just
In future rights are born in robot science because
I think is the very best and
Just see that our children, they didn't have speak in English. So that's why the Gyaneshwar Patil sir just made the Sheetal Academy branch in Kalwan. As you all to know that the Sheetal Academy have giving some types of chance. You just see that unlimited duration. In that comparison cities, they just also just make the Sheetal Academy. Why? Because the Sheetal Academy is that branch that just present in the whole Maharashtra in 360 branches. Why? Because of the Sheetal Academy is a very best branch for to just speaking and for to just hold the development. And as you all do know that in the India and in the China, in the Nepal, the Sheetal Academy is branch.
वर्ड्स कॉम्पिटिशन, स्पेलिंग कॉम्पिटिशन, गुण लपलेले असतात ते आपल्याला बाहेर काढण्यासाठी या कॉम्पिटिशनचे आयोजन करावे लागते. आता या कॉम्पिटिशनचे आयोजन आपल्या शीतल अकॅडमी मार्फत का केले जाते याचं कारण आहे स्कूल कॉलेजेस मध्ये किंवा आपल्या रेग्युलर क्लासेस मध्ये आपण दैनंदिन जीवनात फक्त काय करतो, जातो आणि येतो फक्त आपण शिकतोय. पण या शिकताना बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आपण जीवनातून काही मिस करत असतो. जसं की कॉम्पिटिशन झाल्या, स्पर्धा झाल्या, लाईक आपल्यासारख्या विद्यार्थ्यांना जी चालना शीतल अकॅडमीच्या माध्यमातून मिळते तुम्हाला, तर ती कोणत्या प्रकारे तुम्हाला देतोय याची थोडक्यात आपण एक माहिती घेऊया. एक एक्झाम्पल बघा, तुमच्यामध्येच काही विद्यार्थी आज ते येत आहेत आणि उत्कृष्ट प्रकारे ते बोलून गेले. काही सिनियर विद्यार्थी असे आहेत की त्यांना सुद्धा जाणवलं की आज आपल्या लेवल पेक्षा जास्त ज्युनियर विद्यार्थी बोलून गेलेले. किंवा तुम्ही बघू शकता प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी हा त्याच्या लेवलला बेस्ट देण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. Am I right? बरोबर का? बरोबर. आज बरेचसे विद्यार्थी फ्रीडम फायटरवर बोलले, कोणी फेस्टिवल इंट्रोडक्शन दिली, कोणी फोर्सेसवर बोललो, तो कोणी इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ AI, बुक्स, टीम वर्क, जनरेशन गॅप, रोबोट्स असे अनेक सारे विद्यार्थी या टॉपिक्सवर बोलून गेले. जे टॉपिक्स आपल्याला आयुष्यभरात आपण स्कूल कॉलेजमध्ये फक्त अभ्यास करतो पण त्याच्या प्रेझेंटेशन कधी देतो का? कधी देत नसतो. परंतु शीतल अकॅडमी मध्ये असा प्लॅटफॉर्म तुम्हाला उभा करून दिला जातोय किंवा स्टँड अप शो दिला जातोय की ज्या माध्यमातून तुम्ही तुमच्या स्वतःच्या वक्तृत्व 4 लोकांपर्यंत नाही तर हजारो लोकांपर्यंत तुमच्या स्वतःचे व्यक्तिमत्व तुम्ही काय करू शकता, मांडू शकता. म्हणजे थोडक्यात एज्युकेशन आणि एज्युकेट या दोन पॉलिसी तुम्हाला शीतल अकॅडमी शिकायला मिळतात. कारण काय होतं नाही का, तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट मी लास्ट टाइम मी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग किंवा स्पीकिंगच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना सांगितलं होते की जो येणारा काळ आहे ना, तर त्या काळामध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांसोबत विद्यार्थी शिकणार आहेत, टीचर शिकवण्याची गरज पडणार नाही. कारण आज बरेचसे विद्यार्थी बघतोय हजारो विद्यार्थी ऑनलाईनच्या मार्फत घरी किंवा घरोघरी ते काय करत आहेत, एज्युकेशन घेत आहेत. म्हणजे त्यांना क्लासेसला जाण्याची गरज भासत नाही. आज घरी बसल्या ते एज्युकेशन काय करू शकतात, त्या स्टँडर्ड लेवलला शिकू शकतात. म्हणजे मध्ये एवढा इम्प्लिमेंटेशन, एवढा एनहान्समेंट आणि एवढे ऍडव्हान्टेज चेंज होतोय. सो दॅट्स द रिझन आज आपले हे कॉम्पिटिशन याच्या मागचे उद्देश काय होता,